Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we traded the biggest market rally in history, up 1,000 points in one day, and here's what the charts look like. 1, 2, 3 beautiful signals with 1, 2, 3 beautiful retracements. Easy peasy for 500 points. Let's do this. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, coming at you with a quick trading recap video here. Hope you had just a ridiculously awesome trading week last week, trading day today. You've heard me say this before. I know this is not the first time you've heard me say this. 2020, okay, the year 2020 was destined to be a very volatile trading year, right? And many of you guys out there who are interested in trading full-time or even part-time or a couple hours in the morning or a couple hours at night, you gotta realize that if you want to make money trading, you have to trade volatility. There's no way to get around that, okay? And I saw a news image that I wanted to share with you guys here. Check this out. This is just last week, okay? Monday, down 1,000 points. Tuesday, down almost 900 points. Wednesday, down. Quiet, but still down. Thursday, the all-time biggest plunge, almost 1,200 points, and down again on Friday. Like, you really have to take a step back and just kind of catch your breath here after watching last week's moves. And this didn't even capture the actual trading day, right? Just because the market closed down didn't mean that it was an up and down day. It was up 600 points, then down 500 points, then up 300, and it closed down 1,000. So what I want to say to all you guys out there that are just fed up with indicators and chat rooms and courses and even your financial advisor, man. I mean, these financial advisors, these market technicians, these gurus, where the fuck were they during this plunge? Right? If you called up your financial planner and asked him, hey man, what's going on with my 401k? All the guy's gonna do is shrug his shoulders and say, that's the market for you, right? All of these so-called experts who manage mutual funds, who manage your 401k, who are expected to grow your account, I can just tell you right now, and I know this from experience, all right, for a person that I put in charge to manage my kids' college education fund, fucking useless, okay? Nice guy, super nice guy, but completely and totally useless. I only do the college education thing for tax write-offs. That's it. So guys, at a certain point, okay, you've got to be responsible for managing your own portfolio, managing your own destiny, essentially, right? So what I try to do on my channel, I try to give it to you guys straight, okay, without any filter whatsoever, and it's basically love it or leave it. Right? At the end of the day, we're not doing this to make friends, right? We're all doing this to make money, to grow our accounts, to pay our bills, to plan for our future and our family's future. At least that's why I'm doing it. Those are my goals, right? I can't speak to any of your goals, but I gotta believe they're somewhat similar to mine, okay? And here we are, not even 2 months into the year, and markets have just gone bonkers, right? They've gone berserk. Every time you turn around, the Dow's up or down 500 points. The Nasdaq's up or down 400, 500 points as well, right? Many people out there, the financial news media, the newspapers, your financial planner, everybody is going to scare the crap out of you by telling you to stay away from volatility. And why do you think that is? It's because those guys, they know absolutely nothing about day trading, okay? Because any good day trader will tell you volatility is a day trader's dream. You simply cannot make money trading unless you're trading wide-ranging markets that have a very high intraday high and low, okay? Now these moves we saw last week, sure, they were extreme, right? There's no doubt about that, but again, if you've seen my YouTube channel, these moves aren't that far-fetched, right? Sure, the Dow had an up 1,000-point move today, right? Tomorrow it may drop another 1,000 points and continue the downtrend. You have no idea whatsoever. and neither do any of these quote-unquote financial gurus that are managing 401ks, that are managing your retirement account, etc., right? Like I said, man, you got to take responsibility for your own destiny, your own self-growth, right? Now, these dyno bar charts, they make it easy, right? That's why I always say easy peasy, but you still have to implement all the tactics and the techniques that real day traders do, right? Number one, always trade the right markets at the right hours. Number two, always look for low risk, high reward setups, right? I'm talking about 10 to 1, 20 to 1. In a case like today, 50 to 1, 100 to 1 type risk to reward profiles, right? You'll never make any money risking one to make one, right? Any idiot will tell you that. If you want to make money trading, you got to look for those big winners, 30 to 1, 50 to 1, huge winners, right? And of course, guys, as you know, when you want to lock in those gains, you got to let your winners run, right? Don't cut the trade off too early unless you're told otherwise. When you get in on a retracement bullish, let it run. You don't know how far it could run, right? Same thing on the short. Get in on a trade, let it run. Okay, set profit targets, set things that you are comfortable with, not somebody else, not someone else telling you what to do. These 401k guys, these IRA, forget those guys, okay? They don't know jack shit. I am telling you right now, they do not know jack shit. They don't care about your money. Why would they, right? They get paid to do nothing. They collect 2% or 5% or whatever it is for doing nothing, right? So when you take a trade, any direction, long, short, doesn't matter, always let those winners run. Never cut your trade off too early. Because then what happens? You end up missing gigantic moves, just like you see here, right? 700 points, 300 points, 500 points, all, I might add, all of these moves happening before lunchtime. So when I say to you guys that you should only try to focus on the morning session, not joking about that. Again, that's something any good trader will tell you. The most action, the best setups happen in the morning session. Today was no exception. Last week was no exception. Guys, these patterns happen every single day, every week, every month. And this is exactly what today's trading looked like without using any indicators at all. This is how you trade price action, and this is how you get good at mastering your craft. All right, guys, if you have any questions on these dyno charts, get in touch. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you had an awesome trading day. Days like today have the potential to make your entire month. In some cases, you only got to trade a week like last week, and that'll make your entire year, right? Volatility is here to stay. Embrace it, and I do hope we get many more chart setups like we saw today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you on the next trade.